Northrop Grumman is one of the largest and most successful aircraft manufacturing companies in the world, known for developing iconic aircraft like the B-2 Spirit and the F-35 Lightning II. And this is their newest record-breaking aircraft, the Model 437. The Northrop Grumman Model 437, also known as the Vanguard, is a technology demonstrator showcasing the future of multi-mission, optionally manned aircraft. Designed as a loyal wingman, it aims to augment manned fighters with cost-effective, adaptable capabilities. Its swept-wing, V-tail design, and Pratt Whitney F35 engine enable a 3,000 nautical mile range and Mach 0.8 cruise speed, carrying a 2,000-pound payload. Specifically, it's designed to perform air-to-air combat, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare, carrying payloads like AMRA AMRA missiles and various sensor systems. Originating in 2021 and first flown in August 2024, its rapid development under Northrop Grumman's Digital Pathfinder program utilized digital engineering, significantly reducing costs and development time. The Vanguard's modular design and versatile payload bay support its multi-role capabilities, and its optionally manned feature allows for piloted testing and future autonomous operations, primarily aimed at augmenting manned missions by providing additional firepower and reconnaissance while reducing pilot risk. The aircraft's development heavily leveraged a digital thread, integrating all life cycle stages for efficient design and production. Potential applications include the U.S. Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program and similar allied initiatives, highlighting a future where drones and piloted planes work collaboratively in combat, with the Vanguard demonstrating a fast and cost-effective approach to aircraft development through advanced digital tools.